A beautiful pack. And this is the, did you guys see this? I could feel the compression. And here, see me on the back. I had you guys. A very warm welcome to you. My name is Nike. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and to all my returning subscribers, chop kiss. You guys are absolutely amazing. Thanks for all the love and the support that you guys show me on this channel, Nikki K's World. You guys are the bomb. Anyway guys, without wasting so much of your time, I'm gonna go ahead and introduce you guys to a product that was sent to me by IUGA. They actually reached out to me and requested to send me their product in exchange for my honest review. And you guys know, Nike is not saying no to unboxings, because I love unboxings, and definitely using myself as a guinea pig before you guys get to try it out. Okay, so real quick, let's go ahead, unbox this product. Let's see what it is really. Let's see the quality. Let's see if it's something that I would recommend to you guys. But real quick guys, if you're tuning in for the very first time, remember to turn on your notification bell, hit the like button, and please show me some love by leaving your comments in the comment section. Okay guys, so real quick, let's pick up the product. So I did have two packages come to me. This is the first box, and then the third one came like this via Amazon, which goes to show you that this particular brand also sells on Amazon, and they also do have their website. I'm gonna be showing you guys everything, okay? So stay tuned. And now let's go ahead and unbox this package. Yeah. So real quick guys, just a quick question. How have you guys been doing this summer? For me, for one, I have been so busy. Oh my gosh, I have been busy with all kinds of stuff, from Ariel's graduation to all kinds of stuff guys, all kinds of stuff that I can't even remember, but I just know that I've just been so busy. I have been so busy. And then right now we're planning Ariel's 5th birthday party. If you guys can remember, those of you guys that have been following me, when we celebrated Izzy's 5th birthday party, the Lego themed birthday party, Ariel was just 3 and she was like, "Mommy, are you gonna do my own party for me? Mine has to be a unicorn." And I'm telling you guys, she hasn't forgotten. She hasn't forgotten. She keeps asking for her birthday party. So we're working on it. That's what I'm working on right now. But anyway guys, here we go. I have gone ahead to unbox the products. So this was in there. So we do have 1, 2, and we have 3. And you guys see it comes in a beautiful pack, IUGA, and it says here, IUGA is an active brand set by a group of young and passionate active living advocates with a clear mission in mind. They inspire you to go active. I love that, guys. You guys know I joined the gym recently. I have been gymming recently guys. So how consistent am I? To an extent. Because I won't dash them my money for free. Anyway, that's that. So let's unbox the last one here. I wonder why Amazon ships my packages differently, separately. And this is the last package. Has some stuff in here. Okay, it's a gift. Okay, obviously it's a gift. What do you guys expect? So I do have 4 outfits in here. 1, 2, 3. And I do have my receipt here that says your order of June, whatever dates, tank tops, women built-in, blah blah blah. Okay, they do have, oh, this is for the single one. My god, I have mixed it up. I don't even know which one is which. But real quick guys, I don't like to waste time, so let's start. Should we start with the smallest or the big? The big to the smallest. Let's start with the big. So this is how their packaging comes in. Very sleek, beautiful packaging. Anyway, let's go ahead and see what is in here. Oh my god, I love the packaging guys. It says IUGA yoga, nothing but comfort. So it has details about their product here, and it's so colorful, so beautiful. Oh my god, well packaged. Do you guys see that? Oh my days, this is so beautiful. Now let me tell you guys something. I am not saying this is so beautiful just because it's a free product. I am telling you that the texture is beautiful. The texture is amazing, and you know, I don't like comparisons, but you can't even compare these yoga pants to the ones I buy on some websites that you and I know of. Look at this. This is the back. Right here we do have the front, and then guess the bonus, it has pockets for our phones. This is amazingly beautiful, guys. I love the texture. And what size could this be? Okay, it just says that this is 77% polyester and 23% spandex. The spandex is actually to expand it, but when I picked the size, I actually went for the size large. Yes, I went for the size large, and you guys can see it. Let me bring it close. Do you feel the texture? Beautiful, beautiful, guys. This is beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep this to the side. This is really inspiring to go active. Beautiful. And for those of you guys that would like to visit their website, is www.theiuga.com. So we're gonna go ahead and put this to the side real quick, and then we'll go ahead, open the next big package. Once again, you guys see that? This is beautiful. Oh my days, the color is amazing. Oh my god, this is beautiful. And this is the front, and then here we go with the back. They always have their logo, the iconic logo. So beautiful. This is beautiful. And it's the same material, 77% polyester and 23% spandex, which is obvious. So here it says it is machine washable, do not iron. Yes, there's nothing to iron here. Do not bleach, and do not use softener, so you're good. You don't need fabric softener for this. This is so beautiful. Do you guys see the color? Oh my god, it matches me so well. I love this. So we're gonna go ahead, put this to the side as well, and then we'll pick the next one here. So you guys see that? Beautiful packaging, lovely packaging. And I like that it came in this lockable seal. I love it. I love it, guys. And then go ahead, we're gonna put this to the side because we're gonna be needing it. It's one of the leggings, guys. So this is a shorter version. I love it. It is perfect for the season. Oh, look at this. Look, they are going to know in that gym. Yeah, everyone's gonna know when I go to the gym, guys. Everybody is gonna know Nike has new yoga pants, new leggings. But anyway, this is so beautiful. We're gonna go ahead, put this to the side. Oh, unless I forget, it also has the pockets. Last one. All right, guys, and for the last one here, before you guys will be like, is it only yoga pants they are making? No. So let's go ahead and unbox this. I'm excited, guys. Okay, guys, are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? All right. It's so beautiful, guys. I love it. This is it, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my days. You guys, you know what? Your girl is going to go try this on real quick. Real quick. I'm gonna try it on and I'll be back. But before then, do you guys see it even has a cup here for the bra? Like, do you guys see the pad? It has the padding for my, oh my god, I love it. It's so beautiful. Now I'm gonna go try this on. How do you guys want me to do it? Do you want me to do the black and blue, or you just want me to go straight on the black and black? I love you guys. So let's see. You know what's gonna happen? I'll call my kids to choose for me. I'll call my kids to tell me which one to do, if I should go on the black and blue or on the black and black. Okay, guys?
to the door. Oh, Mommy, you think your leggings look so good.
It does?
Yeah, it looks so perfect.
It does?
Yeah.
Oh my god. You guys have heard. I didn't even need to start the video. My kids have validated it. I'm so excited about this, guys. So did you guys see this? I decided to put on the blue and the black because obviously the black is like so cliche. So it feels so lush and so comfortable. I really do love it. Do you guys see? I look so pretty. Damn, I could wear this all day. I'm just by myself with the kids today, so obviously I can't leave them alone and go to the gym. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go outside and go jog just so you guys can see me in action, okay? When I come in, I'm gonna be stretching just so you guys can see how good the leggings look and how well they stay on my body, okay? So you guys stay tuned and I'll be back. All right, let me go ahead and blow the trumpet about this yoga pants. I felt the softness. Honestly, the softness, I could feel it on every inch of my skin. And I love the fact that I could feel the compression because my tummy is a little bit big. So there was this good compression on my tummy. Made it look like, you know, I have flat tummy, as you guys can see from here. So you can feel the compression and it was not uncomfortable. It was not an uncomfortable feel. It was smooth. It was natural. It gave me the curves. And also, there's this gentle squeeze that it supports and prevents you from strains and nerves and pressure. No much pressure. It just felt natural, and it's all the way stretchy. When I was stretching, you guys could see it. The pants adapts to every deep squat. And here, you see me on the bike. Yes, the pants are amazing. And also, guys, they have Heat Lab. Their Heat Lab pants are cozy warmth for cold days, so they have a different feel on your body. They have the Butter Lab 4.0 as well, which helps elevate comfort to new heights. They have the Flex Tight, which helps performance, and also they have the Silk Feel, which is the soft comfort. So go ahead and check them out, okay? Thanks for watching. Ciao, bye.
Okay, guys, look at Nikki. And get her on this side. You see her? Oh, she's going so fast. With all her power that she has, she can break this pipe.